Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use LEN function in Excel. LEN function is used to count the character in the cell. For example, here we have taken some data in different cells and we will count how many characters are there in a cell. So for this, click here and the formula is equal and then LEN. Press tab and here is text. Select the cell and enter. Here you can see the answer is 6. You can count here AMIR95. There are 6 characters. Similarly, you can drag this formula to remaining cell and you can see it has counted the character. Once you have applied the formula, if you will change the character, say here I am changing it, you can see it has also changed. So this is how you can use LEN function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.